This is a Citroen Berlingo Jiffy truck, genuine Jiffy truck from Jiffy. This is the side. As you can see, this side should have had glass sliding doors, but it's been blocked off. There is the truck from the plate from Jiffy. As you see, if we open this, we've got our gas bottles inside and our regulator. Looks nice, doesn't it? Here we have the hot water tank, cold water tank, the gas jet, some sinks, nice tap. Come in and have a look around the side. She looks absolutely beautiful from the black. Look at that. Doesn't she look nice? And then of course we've got the side. She's looking wonderful from the side. Even better inside. Let's have a look inside, see what we got. Wow, look at that. There's the oven, minus the doors. There's the ambient compartment for crisps and cakes and stuff. Little shelf there for your bits and pieces when you buy them. Here's the refrigeration unit, which goes right through to the other side, and it's got a Delphi chiller unit in it. There's the shelves. Doesn't it look magnificent? And as I said, she's on a Citroen Berlingo, which is quite a nice van anyway. But there she is. That is the sandwich truck from Jiffy. And thanks very much for watching.